Hey, what is going on, guys? I made a video for you guys last week talking about Palantir and the opportunity that I see to the downside. Since making that video, Palantir has dropped over 20%. The options contracts have run over 100 to 300%. In this video, I'm going to be going over another opportunity that I see and another stock that I see for a potential upside or downside. I'm going to be going over the fundamentals, the technicals, all of that. So guys, the stock that we are talking about is SMCI. Super Micro Computer Incorporation, and they have a very crucial day. So as we can see from this report, the stock was rising yesterday on a crucial day for the artificial intelligence server maker. The NASDAQ has set Tuesday as the deadline day for the company to file its already delayed financials for the fiscal year that ended in June and the 3 months that ended in September. So SMCI, they had to report earnings, and they actually said they didn't have all of their paperwork together and they were delayed. So as you guys remember, after that happened, the stock ended up dropping about 50-60%, and then the stock started to rise again when they said that they were getting their paperwork together. Well, the day has come. Today is February 25th, and today is a deadline day. SMCI needs to report its financial earnings, or they face possible delisting from the S&P 500. So this is a really big day for the company. So let's hop on the technicals and let's see how the charts for SMCI is looking. So today is Tuesday the 25th, and you can see SMCI is rising a little bit in pre-market. We can see we had this low at $49, but we jumped up to 14% at one point. So what I like to do is I get rid of my pre-market and my post-market opacities so I can see a nice and clean chart. And let's do some quick technical analysis. For this, I'm gonna just hop on the 2-hour time frame and just see what major zones that we have. So we can see why we're bouncing off this $49 level right here. This was a nice demand zone, so we can throw that demand over there. We have another one kind of down here, another one down here, and I'm making my zones all the way to the bottom because if they do not report their earnings, well, there could be a huge drop for the stock. Alrighty, and then we have another zone up here. We can say this is a level of supply, a level of supply, another level of supply up here, if my computer will let me. Alrighty, so we have our zones right there. Let's quickly take a look at our moving averages. So we can see that SMCI is bouncing off of our 10-day moving average right there. So that's a nice bounce. Let me see if I have all of my averages there. Alrighty, we can see right now we're holding on to our 200-day. Let's get our editor up there real quick. Awesome. Alrighty, so now let's go down to a 30-minute time frame and see what is going on with the charts. So we can see SMCI right now is finding some support down here at that $49 level. Couple nice bounces around that area, and the area of resistance is also kind of obvious, which is up here around that $55 to $56 level. We can see we approached that level, retraced a little bit. So that's the level that we're going to be watching. That's the level we have our eyes on for today, which is, hey, what happens when we start nearing that level? Do we see that breakout? Do we see that rejection at that level and that push back down to that $49 level? If SMCI goes ahead and reports earnings and they have good earnings, I'm looking for bounces around this area, that 49, and I'm looking for a really clean breakout above that $55 level, and I can easily see this thing go right back to that $66 level. So for SMCI today, it's all about the news. Will they report, or will they go ahead and ask for another extension? Will they face possible delisting from the NASDAQ. Today is a huge day for the company, a huge day for the investors, and this is the stock that I have my eyes on. I'm not invested just yet. I'm waiting until markets open up today. So let's all hop in this one together, guys. So I'll see you guys at market open. It's 8:30 in the morning, so I'll see you guys in about an hour. Peace.